here. Wow. What a gold, what a gold, what a gold. What a gold, what a gold, what a gold, what a see, what a bunch of jibber jab. See la la. Alright. Now, let's see what's up. Luganita, what's going on, bro? Good morning, man. How you doing? AGR, what's up? How you doing? Good morning, man. Mr. Martins, good morning to you as well. How's everyone doing? How's everyone's week been? How's everyone today? How did everyone wake up? Everything okay? Everything okay with the family? Everyone's blessed, right? Very good to hear that. Oh, right. Um, let's see. The 4 hour closes here in 32 minutes. So I'm not entering a trade until the next 4 hour candle. If I even want to enter a trade. I mean, dude, like I've only traded once this week. um, because I'm just being safe. You know what I'm saying? 4 hours engulfing. So the next 4 hour candle should pull down to continue higher. We do have this resistance. Let me mark that off right here just so I know. Because we do have that resistance. Let's make that black. Let's make that thin. Let's add a text. Going to the right. 4 hour whoops. Resistance. Let's make it black as well. And then let's hit OK. Right. FOMC didn't do nothing. I watched that live. I was like, are you kidding me? Right? It just went down. First, it opened up, shot straight up. Then it shot straight down. And once I saw that ping pong move, I just stopped watching. I turned off my charts. I said, you know what? I'm Gucci on this. Mr. Roland Chuku, good morning, bro. How you doing, man? How's everyone doing, man? How's everyone's, what's today? Thursday? Yeah. Jesus Christ. Thursday. Didn't make damn near no money this week. Just sitting on my hands in this range, man. Yamuti Kidasai. Oui. Je parlais français. Un petit peu. Je m'appelle Ben Robert. I don't know what you said, bro. English, please. I'd appreciate that. If you have a question, you speak English, bro. I don't even know what language that I don't even know what language that is. Oh, my camera's on the right screen. Whoops. There you go. Got the GJ cells from 162 209. Very good job, bro. Very good job. I'm paper trading it right now. Well, it actually shouldn't. TP shouldn't be 10 pips, but it should be at least up here. I'm paper trading it now. I don't trade GJ anymore, so I might get back into trading a little bit of GJ sauce, right? Right, got 1 hour zones in here. 1 hour zone. It's wicking. Let's see if it can reject, and then the next one could come. Some making funny noise in your Telegram before? Yeah, I know, it was you. You little childish person you are, man. Very childish for doing that. I blocked you, got on my Telegram as well, so it's okay. You can't make noises here. The only thing you can do is type, and then me or Loganito will give you the boot. So alright, so let's have a look. Let's see what gold wants to do this week, man. Just stuck in the range again. No? Why you say it? This is the second time you say that then, bro. Stop being childish, man. 5-minute created a hangman, not trusting it right now. 4 hours about to close. Not making the same mistake I made last week, which was entering at the last 2 minutes of 4 hour close. Man, that was a mistake, dude. Let me tell you. GJ's pushing up. Very beautiful. Almost at a 1-to-1. DP here. But then look, if the 4 hour, this 4 hour on GJ closes bullish, the next 4 hour candle is just going to continue higher. Potentially up into here. The sells, whoever caught these sells, man, they're very nice. All right. Yeah, multiple entries here, especially at the break of this support you could have gotten in. This candle stops above, obviously 6 pips. Look at that, beautiful. Whoops, beautiful. And it actually dropped for 43 pips. Navman, congratulations, man. Nice trade. Let's flip over to gold. Gold's pushing up. I love your reaction when you played that sound in your YouTube live. Yeah, I don't even remember, bro. Honestly, I don't. So we gotta wait 26 minutes for this 4 hour candle to close. Then we gotta wait for the 4 hour candle to spike down. I honestly think we're gonna spike down into this area, right? My bad, I'm just writing something down to keep in mind on my to-do list for today. Oh, gotta do another thing. Today I gotta bring the telnet router back. Alright, that's it that I have to do for today, and then also some other petty stuff, but I won't write that down. Right, gold, 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 gold. Still in the range. Obviously, honestly, I would still only be buying this range, right? We still are bullish on the higher time frames. I will be looking for sells here to then potentially drop here for a long-term sell. I will also be looking for buys today, right? Obviously, the next 4-hour candle. Now, in the meantime, just kick back, relax, watch the charts, listen to me yap my mouth, and that's it. I'm very tired today as well. Like, very, very, very tired. It's actually insane how tired I am. Yo, Freskix, what's good, bro? How you doing, man? How's you guys this morning? Jakub, welcome. Good morning to you as well. Joe Andre joined in there. Yo, good morning, Joe Andre. Good morning, Zainab. Good morning, Ash.
Hey man, how you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Not bad. You okay?
Yeah, I'm tired though.
Did you have a big one?
Huh?
Did you have a busy one last night?
Um, I just couldn't sleep.
No.
Yeah, just couldn't sleep. Yo, what's up, Money Wicks? I like that name, man. Good morning to you as well. I didn't sleep, Jakub. I couldn't sleep. I was just tossing and turning, just up. Paper trades pushing well on GJ. I don't trade GJ anymore, but it's pushing well. Let me add paper trade before people think that I'm actually in this trade. Right, gold's pushing up.
Yeah, I was about to say it's pushed up a bit.
Yeah. It was a very, very, very easy buy right here. Very couldn't be any easier right here. Wow. I was just asleep at that time. I was asleep. I got on the charts here. Right. Very, 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 very beautiful buys. Right. For the people that did get in, you had price come down, create double bottom. Right. First leg of the double bottom, you had a doji. After that, you had an engulfing. You could have had an entry here with the stops below. That would have been the aggressive, more impatient trader. I guess not impatient, but the more aggressive trader with the smaller stop. Then you have the conservative trader that would have waited for here, probably entered here at the break and then had stops below. Most definitely take profit here, zone to zone. Then the very patient person is going to wait for the resistance to break right in here, wait for the support to form right in here, and enter here with stops below here. So pick your poison. You know what I mean? What trader are you? Then the more conservative trader is going to wait for this support to be informed and probably the close of this candle to then enter on this candle with the stops below here. Pick your poison, man. Pick your poison. $30-minute. Nothing. Hourly candle. Nothing. 4-hour candle. Not a very, very, very conservative trader. And the swing trader is going to do this on the 4-hour. Just like that. And then target up here. I would never do that though. 54 pips. Insane. GJ paper trade is doing better. Looks like it's about to bamboozle though. 1 minute engulfed. I don't think it's smart to look at the lower time frames on GJ. Who trades GJ every day? Is it smart to look on the lower time frames on GJ, like the 5 minute, or is it better to just stick to the 15 and the 30 minute? Because I feel like the 5 minute right here would have bamboozled a lot of people, right? Even though you never broke higher, right? I haven't traded this in like a year. 5 minute is solid. Okay. I haven't traded GJ in a long time. In a long time, in like a year and a half or so. Damn, 1 hour rejected hard. After if this rejects like this, the next 1 hour candle is gonna come fill in that wick, right? Bamboozle around here for a bit, and then continue higher, most definitely into this range right here to fill up that, or potentially go to the 4 hour time frame, potentially even come up to here by the end of the week or the end of next week. GJ's just pushing. GJ's just, they don't care. The yen is very, or the pound is very strong at the moment. GJ straight slapped me around the past couple of weeks, not touching it anymore. Why? You gotta learn from your mistakes, Loganita. If you don't learn from your mistakes, right? If you don't learn from your mistakes, you'll just keep making them. One mistake that I see myself struggle with a lot is kind of trying to always buy the super stupid low, right? Which means with the stupid duper low is if the 4 hour candle or the whatever candle is just bleeding, right? And then I sometimes when it comes to my zone, sometimes I like to just try and catch that wick, 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 like the very wick, 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 and that's a mistake that I have a lot. It works, but then it doesn't work. If I would be honest, it's like a 40% win rate on that. But the winners are big and the losers are the same, 0.70%. That's the only difference. But I'm about to exit that out. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Double top now as well. Double top, double bottom. What's going on, man? Wow. Rejection candle. Definitely could have entered here if I was paying attention. I'm not going to though because the 4 hour is about to close. So it's just creating its top week. What's up, bro? Problematic. How you doing? Did you take a trade on GJ? It's a paper trade, bro. Timmy, paper trade. See? Trying to get back in the flow of trading GJ maybe a bit. Maybe. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna start watching it again. Cause GJ has the audacity to respect fibs like a motherfucker. That's how I made all my money on GJ. It respects the fibs like nuts. Buy limits, sell limits on the fibs. You don't even have to look at the trade. It's gonna play out. I swear to God. If you have these fib settings, the ones I have, plays out every fucking time. Whoop. Buy limit 61.8. Telling you, every time plays out on GJ. It's actually insane. Did you take a trade? Problematic? Asher Durandre take a trade?
Oh yeah, this morning, man.
Yeah. No, he said, nah, I haven't for the last 2 days. Same. I think everyone's being patient, man. Letting it break out. I mean, don't get me wrong. Like I've seen the opportunities. I'm just not catching them. I don't want to. Esther Kabiru, hello, my team. What's going on, teammate? Oh, it's happening again. Oh no, it's not. I'm tripping. Oops. Gold still in the stupid range. Yeah, I mean, The range is tradable, man. It's just literally buy and sell. It's just when you get to these areas, what makes these areas dangerous is the wicks that they throw. That's what makes the area dangerous. That's it. Once you know, once you kind of see the zones, you kind of know where gold's gonna go. It can get easy. It's just when it gets to that zone, just know it's gonna throw a wick at you. Probably try to catch you out, stop you out. Gold is indeed very messy, Esther. That's why I just been staying away. I just been just watching it, paper trading it, paper trading GJ as well. It's working out. At this point, I should probably have stops at BE. This is a paper trade. Put my stops at break even. Right? Gold on the 15 minutes coming down. We created resistance. Right? 5 minute. It's just waiting for the 4 hour. This 4 hour. That's it. That's all I was doing. Just waiting for it. It's creating the 4 hour top wick. So the next 4 hour candle could wick down and spike up. Potentially. Excuse me. Potentially to here. Keep in mind potentially because we have huge rejection zones right here. That bamboozle. 1 minute. Oof. Yeah. I mean, if you're new to trading gold at this point, you should just wait. Be very patient. Only trade the solid confirmations. Otherwise, you're gonna get cracked. Gold very messy. Gold very messy indeed. Huh. This shit's actually just. I think I could probably get higher, man, than this. Especially now with this 4 hour candle close. I think we could get TP up in here. Potentially up in here. Jesus, 235 pips, man. Wow. That would be pretty insane. Feeling that wick on the monthly. Someone that trades GJ, right? Now, I don't trade GJ. Does the 4 hour normally fill the wick to continue and break the structure? Or does it normally reject down? Because I could tell you this on gold. If you see this on gold, this wick, and the 4 hour would close like this, the next 4 hour candle is going to wick down, not break the low, and continue higher and break resistance. I don't know if that's like that with GJ though. I haven't traded in so long. I don't have no data on it. Uh huh. Usually GJ continues. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, I'm just watching it. Just trying to get, trying to get back to milking GJ like I used to. I used to get GJ hard, man. Hard, hard. I used to. I don't know why I stopped trading it. It was a good, slow money maker. 5 minute closed doji. What is it gonna do? We're gonna shoot up or continue lower. It's been storming for like the last 3 days here. Like just rain, 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 rain. Windy as heck. A bunch of rain. Jesus. What a depressing weather, man. Just look outside your window. It's gray. It's cold outside. Man. You stopped because it stopped moving, just like many of us. Um, I don't know why I stopped, bro. Honestly, I think so. Yeah, I think it was that time I stopped. It was when that big range was in play. It was like a range for like a whole 4 hour or 4 hour for like a whole 2 months. It was like 2 years ago, and it was ranging for like the longest, dude. I think that's when I'm like, you know what? Fuck GJ. It was like 2, 3 years ago. All right. Yeah, it's been like that here too. Where you, if you don't mind, problematic. Where you stay at? Fucked up weather. Yeah, man. I know Fresquex. He's around here somewhere where I'm at. It's just raining, bro. It's actually insane, bro. It's fucked up. It's just like wow. Like for like the past 3 days, just only thing. If you guys could hear it, the only thing I hear on my roof is just the raindrops. Sydney. Oh yeah, Sydney. Sydney rains. I thought it's always like sunny there, like all the damn time. Sydney, Australia. You find crocodiles in your toilet before? Or snakes? What if you find a crocodile, right? Problematic. And you end up killing the crocodile. Can you eat it? Or what's going on? Or do you have to like not kill it and call the game wardens to come fix it for you? Because if I catch a crocodile in my yard, I'ma smoke his ass and put him on a barbecue, man. Crocodile's good. Crocodile's good eating. I had crocodile when I go out with my girl Sunday. Yeah, I had crocodile meat Sunday with my girl, man. I went to the restaurant, had crocodile. It was fucking bomb. First degree murder? Crocodile meat is very nice. Man, tell me about it. Oh man, it's so good. We wrestle them till they tap out and let them back in the water. Yeah, right. Ah, shoot the heck out of it. Bow. I don't know if you know on Animal Planet, it's called swamp something. So what they do is they fish for crocodile, right? They leave big ass hooks, and then they have bait on there like a big ass piece of chicken. And then when the croc actually gets stuck on the line, right? They go, bow, shoot it in the head because it's stuck. That's it. They killed that croc in their toilet, and then you ate it. As long as it's boiled and steamed, bro, it's okay. As long as it's boiled and steamed, it's okay. All right. But yeah, crocodile meat is very, very, very promising. It's very good as well. See, the 1 minute did what? It just dropped to the 4 hour resistance right here. 4 hour. Looks like we are slowly rejecting. not the rejection that you're looking for. When you trade gold and you're looking to counter trend trade, this is not the rejection that you're looking for if you're in a counter trend trade. Because when gold rejects, it rejects hard. This is not it. But no, like I seriously wonder, like, are you allowed to kill that crocodile problematic, or do you have to release it and or do you have to call the people that take care of it, right? Because it's just wildlife at the end of the day. I mean, they probably have their own wildlife rules. Paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. Stops at break even. Should I though? Because it did go. Had 9 pips stop. It went up 20 pips, which is a 1 to 2. Probably have to call someone. Okay. 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 What's the craziest? What's the craziest interaction that you've had with an animal in Australia? Those motherfuckers are tough. Yeah, I know, dude. Trust, I know.
Ask him about drop bears, man.
You said what?
Ask him about drop bears. Have you heard of drop bears?
The little black bears?
No, drop bears. Look it up.
Drop like that? Oh, damn. Those little motherfuckers look scary. It's koala?
Yeah, they're like savage koalas, man.
No way. Are you serious? It's just a koala that's crazy? Or what?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Yeah. See, if I see one of these, I see one of these approaching me, dude. I don't care. I'm gonna try to kill it. I'm fighting to the death, dude. I'm not, or I'm running, cause that shit's scary, dude. Imagine that shit running at you like that. A little ass cute little bear with big ass teeth. That's the worst I can overcome. Imagine. Look how big its teeth is. It's like that big.
Yeah, man, they're savage.
It's it's the koala's cousin, angry coked up cousin. Man, this koala's coked up cousin, the drop bear. Call him drop. We don't got crazy wildlife out here. That is a mutant koala right there. That koala's crazy, bro. Scariest shit that happened to me was a raccoon ran up on me, stopped and stared at me, and then ran back to the tree. Look at Tasmanian Devil. I know Tasmanian Devils. Wait, that's Tasmanian Devil from the cartoon. They're real? Oh shit. Oh, I never knew they were real. Now, that's just an ugly piece of shit little rat looking like thing that you just kicked the shit out of. It looks like that thing carries a bunch of diseases though. Ugh. Yeah, I'll just kick the shit out this little dweed. Nah, for me in the Aussie land, the worst is the spiders. Ah, fucking hell. I would honestly catch a spider, put it in the cave, put it in the cage, and keep it. I used to do that back when I was young in the States. We used to catch the black widows, the one of the most deadliest spiders. We used to catch those, and then we used to have the black widow in the cage, right? And we would grab like a regular tree spider, and we'd drop it in there, and they'd fight. The black widow would always win until we brought a daddy longleg in there. And the daddy longleg actually killed the black widow. It was insane. I don't know how the fuck they get in the house. Yeah, those critters are smarter than you think, bro. They are Ooh, Damn, GJ would have got me at BE. That's insane. At the last 5 minutes of the 4 hour. Oh, wow. Yeah, that would have got me at BE after going up 2-1. Not bad, but eh. Let's see how the 4 hour close on GJ. 4 hour close resistance. Let's see with gold. Okay, the 4 hour on gold closed bullish, pretty strong, almost engulfed. So let's wait for a bottom wick and then see if I could potentially buy it up if it wants to give us a bottom wick. I want to see buys. It's hard. It's choppy. It's really hard right now because it's so choppy. There's so much structure here. I want to see buys here. Nice fat wick. Quick wick into that area. Right, potentially. Which is also at daily support. I see. Yeah. And then potentially carry up into, right? Did get a break structure right here. See what that fib's talking about. Yeah. See what it's talking about down here. Potentially down here is even better, but I don't think it should break this structure. We'll see what it wants to do. What's the biggest spider you ran across, man? You people that live in Australia. Don't people surf there as well? I think I have to go on vacation there one time, man. Just go to Australia. I don't know how the fuck they get in the house. Yeah, I think that could be a plan for gold. Wait for that pullback into here somewhere. Stop loss. I can't predetermine my stop loss because I would have to wait for price action. Then potentially catch that move. Hopefully we break the 4 hour resistance here to the left. Or 4 hour support. Yeah, resistance, which is a bunch of. This move could only happen if there's tons of volume. Otherwise, forget it. Right? 5 minutes pushing up. Don't let it bamboozle you. It's just gonna flip you right back and create the bottom wick. Let's look at GJ. GJ would have stopped. Is almost looking like it's about to stop my trade out on BE. I think it might be looking to continue lower on the 4 hour time frame. Potentially. I don't know how the fuck they get in. You will get your girl SA. Biggest I've seen is one that was as big as my hand. Yeah, if you see something like that in your house, bro, you just gotta step on it or try to hit it with a broom. What do you mean, Sasha? Australian cute girls? What? Bro, I have a whole girlfriend that cooks, cleans, and is a very good girl to me. I'm not worried about Sasha. She's not my type anyway. What are you talking about? Oh, you're saying girls in Australia are cute. I've never been to Australia. I can't judge. Can't be judged. If my girl's listening to this, Esther, you're gonna get me in trouble, bro. She pops in sometimes just to see what I'm doing on the stream. Step on it, I would burn the house down. Bro, you just gotta, at that point, you just gotta grab like a big broom or something and just start poking at it. A big broom or a big something and just kill it. You know what I'm saying? It's alright. It's alright, Esther. I'm not tripping, bro. Just saying. If my girl's listening, you're gonna DM her and be like, it was my fault. I got him to talk about it. And they were cool, you know what I mean? Talk about I got a whole girlfriend, bro. You're a bad friend, Esther. You're trying to make me cheat on Sasha. You're a bad friend, Esther. Oh, you guys are crazy. Nah, she's good people still. Very good. Uh, very good peoples. Very smart. Very good trader. That paper trade would have been lost at break even for sure, but then it would have got stopped out as well. Man, I'm stuffed. My nose is stuffy, bro. What? I just had the Rona, I think. Am I gonna teach my kid how to trade, bro? I don't even want kids. I mean, I do want kids, but you know, I don't know. Maybe. It depends. It depends. You gonna teach your kid how to trade, bro? I mean, dude, I'm 24 now. I'm looking at kids in like 6 years. Not anytime soon. I want to enjoy, travel a lot first, have tons of sex on beaches, and then make kids in like 6 years. You know what I'm saying? Still got a ton of stuff to do on my bucket list before I think about kids. That's like the last thing on my mind as a kid. A little baby koala running around talking about some crazy stuff. Oh man, I was bad as a kid. My mom said, "Imagine my kid, Jesus, especially if it's a little boy." Whoo, man, gold slowly coming down. Jesus, this rain's actually insane. Wow. Oh, doji candles printing on GJ. Mm, see how much that spreads are on stuff on GJ. Jesus Christ, though. They pips stop. That's actually insane. Okay, gold's coming down. Very nice. Let's see if we could get into this purple area right here and potentially catch a buy up. GJ's pushing up. Gonna enter another paper trade here at the next 5-minute candle break of the high. So Gotta wait for this 5 minute to close. It looks pretty strong to continue going up. To where, I don't know, but it looks strong. 15 minute is rejecting. The 1 hour is actually rejecting as well. The 4 hour, yeah, the 4 hour just rejecting. 5 minute closed. Pretty strong. Let's see if the 5 minute breaks here. Potentially go up for a buy. Stops. I'm not gonna buy it. Paper trade buy. 10 pips. For then 20. Right. Have a look at gold. Gold is just bamboozling everyone right now. GJ's not doing anything. Yeah, I'm gonna go in for a buy if I get the confirmation. That's on you, bro. I'm just paper trading it. Trying to figure it out a little bit more like I used to back in the days. Stay around that blicky. I hope it don't catch me. Police everybody in my spot, so we went to the next street. See, I don't know how GJ moves, so I can't, when you see stuff like this on gold, right? This rejection, the 15 minute normally already flips bullish and it should have already been gone. It doesn't do that on GJ because it's so damn slow. Moves like a snail. This is fucked up. Choppiness, man. Wow, fucking insanity, dude. Look at that. There it goes. The 1 hour did also break structure right here. Broke a little the 1 minute. But, who am I to judge? Look at that. GJ's a finesser, man. Still hasn't changed. I'll be right back, guys. All right. Got GJ. GJ just took shit. Literally. It's a bamboozler. GJ is a bamboozler. All right, let's have a look here. Gold's doing nothing. Chat is doing nothing. It's just a bunch of nothing going on. Just gotta know when to sit on your hands and know when to take action. You hear me? Broke structure. This should be the retest. Market's boring nowadays. I agree with you 100%. It is what it is. I mean, sometimes you just gotta, right? Times like this, you just gotta not blow your account, honestly, because you can. You can get frustrated, trade the zone, want your money back, get frustrated some. Excuse me, get frustrated some more. Looks like it's consolidation about to happen on GJ here. I mean, honestly, this buy idea that I had in mind still valid on the paper trade. Right, buys above here, stops below. Yeah, TP1's most definitely here. Most definitely right here. TP2's here. Looks clean. But it needs to happen first. Gold's pushing up. Yeah, no bottom wick on the 4 hour, just continued gas. So we got silver. Silver is clean as gold, or is it same shit? It looks like the same stuff, man. Mm. No, fibs don't work. They say fibs don't work. Fibs don't work. Yeah, gold is just continuing. Doesn't want to create that nice bottom wick. Very good. It looks like there's no trade in. Same thing for GJ. Looks like there's no trade. We didn't break above, we're just breaking below. So now you gotta just really sit on your hands and watch everything play out. Potentially here in this area. Purple line. Wow, it's raining so hard, man. I can barely hear myself think. Jesus heck, man. Wow, actually insane. Wait, that silver just pumped like that? So gold pumped as well? Oh, yeah, my ass. Let's look at. There's no new. Nope, no news today either. Tell us a story. I don't know, bro. I can't just pop up and think of a story. Oh, yesterday. Did I tell you guys about the person with the what I did yesterday at McDonald's? I have a story. If I don't know if I don't know if I talked about that already. It was yesterday that happened. No. So yesterday, oh my God, it's actually leakage outside, like really bad storm, lightning and wind, and just awesome, fucking awesome. I love it so much. Gold prospect. Scalped the fuck out of gold during the FOMC yesterday. How did y'all do? I watched. I was actually hoping that was gonna break something, but it didn't. But anyway, problematic. So yesterday I went to McDonald's at about like half hour before closing, and we were just going for McFlurries because I stayed close by to a McDonald's. Right, I just wanted the new McFlurry. So it was me that wanted a McFlurry, my girl, and my sister. And then we pull up to the drive-through, and I'm like, "Yeah, can I get 3 McFlurries, Cornettos, like the new ones?" He's like, "Yeah, sure. Would you like chocolate sauce on them?" I say, "Yeah, just give you chocolate sauce on 2 of them, right?" And then we pull up to the window. There's only 2 McFlurries. I'm like, "Hey, I ordered 3 McFlurries." Then he looked on the thing. Then he looked at the little screen, and he was like, "Yeah, but I only see 2." I said, "Yeah, but I ordered 3. Could you add the third one to my tab and I'll pay for it?" He was like, "No, you gotta drive all the way around." I'm like, "Sir, didn't you see how many people is behind me? There was like 7 cars behind me." I was like, "Can I speak to your manager, please?" And I was at this point in time, I was still very calm, right? This dude was like, "Yeah, I'm the manager." I'm like, "No, you're not, because you don't have on a gray T-shirt. The managers have a gray T-shirt on, and right? You could tell it's a manager." And he was like, "Yeah, but you got to drive all the way around." I said, "Look, dude, I'm not driving all the way around because because your employee made a mistake." I'm like, "Fucking grab my bank card, put it on the put it on the little thing, cause you could pay with the little Wi-Fi. Bring me my McFlurry so I could be on my way, and I'm not moving until so." And then he called his colleague. He was like, "Yeah, talk to this man." I'm like, "Dude, use common sense. I'm not gonna drive all the way around, wait a half hour for a McFlurry, right? While you can make it right now, make the McFlurry, pay for it, right? Bring me my receipt, bring me my card, and that's it. It'll take 3 minutes instead of me going, driving all the way around, taking 30 minutes." Then the dude that picked up my order came to the window. He was like, "Yeah, what's going on, sir?" I'm like, "Yeah, this. I'm not driving all the way around, right? Because I said 3 McFlurries." He's like, "Yeah, you probably said 3 McFlurries, but it's hard to hear." I'm like, "No problem. Just fix the damn issue." Right at this time, I was yelling at him. I was a little cussing in there. And he was like, "Yeah, no worries. I'll fix it." I'm like, "All right, here's my card." So I gave him the card. He fixed it. I was like, "Yeah, they need to make you manager, bro. You know how to solve a problem, right?" Bro, I was calling this dude all types of pendejo, piche cabron, motherfuckers, fucking idiot. It's just like, what's the point of me driving all the way around for that stupid McFlurry, right? It's not worth it.
You should have thrown him back through the window, the two that you had, and then driven back around.
No, that's assault. They got cameras everywhere. But I'm like, dude, how are you a manager and you're so caught up on your own rules, bro? I'm telling you, I was tripping. Yeah, those type of dudes are incompetitive. Yeah, bro. I'm like, why are you being so difficult? Why do you want me to drive around, bro? With all due respect, you want me to waste a half hour of my time, more time for you guys to take the order again, to process it again. Just grab my fucking card, tap it on the machine, pay for it, bring me my receipt, give me my McFlurry so I can be on my fucking way. No, you gotta drive around. And that's when, you always gotta raise your voice to stupid people, bro. You always gotta raise your voice. Actually, crazy. Cabron, I was calling him Cabron, all types of shit because he was like some sort of Brazilian Spanish person, so he knew what I said. He knew what I said. But it's like, come on, dude, what are you doing? Oh, GJ, dum. GJ Bice, GJ Bice, GJ Bice, GJ Bice, GJ Bice, GJ Bice, paper trade, break above, paper trade, stops below. Did it actually break above? Didn't. Yeah, it was like, wow, you're actually a fucking idiot, dude. The fuck out of here. I was so mad, bro. It's insane. Oh, DJ's on the way. Paper trade right here. Paper trade. TP1. It's 2-1. Paper trade. Let's watch gold. Gold's just doing nothing at this point of time. Oh, let me type before people think. It actually looks good to continue up on the 15. Potentially another wick down. I don't know how it works. To then continue higher. Bum 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 bum. What's beautiful about GJ is that you can have a small stop loss. Yeah, tell me about it. Small stop loss, big. Small stop loss, big. What's that word I'm looking for here? Come on, Zaynep, help me out. Small stop loss, big lots. I agree. This morning took 20 pips buys with 4 pip stop. Jesus Christ, imagine that. It would be insanity. Yeah, I mean, 15 pip. But it takes longer as well, right? Like GJ takes a long time to play out a lot of the times. Like the volume's different. It's slow volume, if that makes sense. Yeah, a trade takes probably 3 hours to play out, and then it takes like Gold is just literally bamboozling right now at this point in time, which is okay. So now, what you would want on GJ, you would want this 5 minute to close above resistance, and you will want to see the 1 minute tapping into it like it just did, or potentially create support and then continue higher. Oh, looks like GJ's pushing today, huh? Pinche. 1 hour flipped already, huh? Oh, wow. Wow. GJ. Oh, wow. It's only 6 pips. I'm like, what's going on, man? I'm like, what? It's pushing. It's only 6 pips. It's only 6 pips. Ito. Yeah, gold looks like it doesn't want to break that level. It's been coming down. Had a nice entry here. I'm not doing it. My plan is to execute here on buys if price action is correct. So let's watch the paper trade then, huh? So now normally, right, on gold, right, on the 5 minute, you have this range right here, right, on gold. Probably should be the same for GJ because it's just technicals, right? Let me open up. It looks beautiful, but yeah, it looks like it just flew 30 pips. It's only 6 pips, right? Here you have 5 minute resistance that got broken. If it closes above here in a minute, then we are continuing. Then we are then in a new range, right? So first, just based off the 5 minute, dude, right? We broke above here. Now we're in this range, right? From this purple line to this purple line. Now we're breaking above here. If we break above and we close above here in 53 seconds, then we're playing in this range from here to here. So then, potentially, that could be your first TP. Once we break above this range, you're playing that range, right? Very simple. Now, 5 minute. Right, it's pushing up. Now you need to potentially wait for a wick down, continue up, stops below the wick, continue higher. See if the higher time frames correlate with it. If they do, perfect. If they don't, that's your ass. Right? Boom. GJ in a nutshell. I'm just thinking, I haven't traded this pair for a long time, so I'm just, watching it, seeing what it does, seeing how it moves, seeing how it reacts. You know what? 5 minute. Yeah, see, this is your, so, yeah. Looks beautiful, but only that's the funny part about it. It looks so gorgeous. It was only 6 pips, man. It's just like, what? What are you doing, dude? Push up higher. Like, look, let's see. For my entry, it went 8 pips. Wow, 8 pips. Jesus. So now we close above this range. Now we should, continue to at least 161-ish area. All right, but who am I to tell where price is gonna go? Let's look at my baby gold. That's up 0.10% for today. Didn't do shit. Didn't do nothing. Looks like it's struggling. And you know it's dangerous, right? With gold, you see it struggling like this to continue and break this resistance. Now, a lot of times when you see it struggling like this, it's building, it's waiting, it's building orders. It's confusing people, right? Because you have to think, what are people doing right now, right? Person sold here, right? Person bought here, right? So what I'm expecting is a big aggressive push up, right? Stopping everyone out in a continuation potentially, or a big spike down. Because now what we're it's happening over and over and over again. Look back at it. Look back at it right here yesterday. Now we are in the 5 minute. Keep in mind, right? Spikes lower, spikes up, right? Stop loss both, spikes down, right? Just look at the consolidating ranges, man. Look at these consolidating ranges, man. Right? This time it just spiked down, consolidating range, right? Spike down, grabbed everyone's stop loss. People that think it's break and retest, right? I just gotta watch out. Ranges, man. You could trade the ranges. You gotta just be a little more careful. Paper trade. So you see, GJ came to that area. The 1 minute. The 1 minute now needs to. Oh wow! What a cheat! You guys see that? You guys see that flipping like the last fucking 10 seconds? Did you guys see that? Not like it flipped in the last second. Replay the stream. Jesus fuck. Bunch of cheating, bamboozling suckers. Yeah. GJ doesn't respect nothing. I think that's why I stopped trading it. Oh, breaking retest. Probably gonna go here. 5 minute. Jesus. Fuck. Big rejection. 30 minute. 1 hour's bearish again. Didn't have enough. Oh, it did come up to the support area. Right. Gold's cracking down on the 1 minute. Just rejecting. So, yeah. Looks like a bunch of nothing going on, huh? How about that? Looks like a bunch of nothing. Bunch of nada. Well, I mean, it did still close above. Now, if this 5 minute closes bearish, or sorry, bullish, then it did actually just create support. But who am I? Du, 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 du. Big rejections, though. Big rejection to that zone on GJ. Gold still here. Jesus Christ, man. Jesus Christ. The markets are very, very, very boring today. Like, very boring. Gold is just stuck. GJ is I mean we're paper trading GJ, so it's just there, right? We're gonna start trading crypto, man. How about them apples? Is Solana come down to my buy zone yet? Oh, almost there. We're almost there to buy some more Solana. Right? Almost. Oh, Bite Night, man. What's going on, bro? I haven't seen you in a while. How's everything going, buddy? When does GJ have volume like in New York as well? I haven't traded GJ in so long, so I can't talk about it like I can't talk about it like I can with gold. Like I literally have to just watch it and wait for confirmations. You know what I'm saying? Watch it and that question I just asked, see if it really plays out like that. Just putting some things together. I hope everything's okay, brother. Like the stuff you're putting together. I hope everything's going well for you, man. I can't trade it, but I review it in the morning. Why can't you trade it, bro? It's just a pair. Trade it. I mean, do your thing, legacy. But why can't you trade it? Probably usage is gold, huh? There it is. Gold's pushing up. It's doing something finally. It didn't. Looks like it's not about to come to my purple zone for a buy. To continue, sadly. What's with GJ and gold? I mean, 99% of traders trade these pairs. That's true. I've been trading gold for like 3 years. Everyone used to hate gold. Now everyone loves it. So, I know. 30-minute engulfed after rejecting. 1 hour on GJ is flipping bullish. But you actually want to close below or close above here, right? Because that's the BOS. Market is too slow this morning? Yeah, bro, it is what it is. Sometimes it's better just sit on your hands. Like, I've been sitting on my hands all week, bro. I've only taken like one or two trades. Just paper trading, just collecting data at this point. You can learn from. I mean, I've saw multiple opportunities. I just don't feel comfortable entering them. Right? Just sit on your hands. It's okay. You don't trade. You don't have to trade every day. Take one good trade. That's it. Gold's pushing up. Now I am gonna look for shorts, potentially rejection shorts right here at this range, potentially. But it could just fly up, continue up into this area, this rejection area. So we're still bullish though. Keep that in mind. A lot of people tend to forget that gold's still bullish. GJ's actually flying right now at the moment. 1 hour close in 15 minutes. So this is what's up with these candles with no top wicks and no bottom wicks, dude? Is that normal for GJ? Like what the fuck's going on? Right, so it did actually do what I said. It did create support. So now it's broke structure, created support, respected structure. Now you just need to continue to trade above it, and we should potentially see 161 area get hit. 161.942. Gold is just rejecting again. Oh man. I mean the move like these moves, they look beautiful, right? Like when they're playing out on GJ, they look beautiful. But then when you draw your like the ruler to see how many pips, like 10 pips. Like what is this? What is that? What is that? 10 pips? One gold, you just be like, oops, buy, oops. 1 minute candle, 10 pips, close, done for the day. See the 4 hour, 4 hours pushing up. Oh, it is at 4 hour resistance though, so we might not be able to break here. Keep that in mind. I did not even realize that anymore. Just tapping into that resistance. Potentially gonna wait for higher volume time, or does it just break? Let's have a look. Lol. Hey, Telegram members, check that shit. Call me cheeky, cheeky breaky. Whoever's in my Telegram, check it. Lol. Loganita. GJ's acting like an abusive girlfriend. Yo, you said paper trade? It's only 5 pips, bro. Chill out. It's only 5 pips. 12 pips. Like, what you. So what, dude? It's 12 pips. You didn't miss nothing. It's 12 pips, bro. All due respect, this is just moving slow as a snail can be, dude. You don't want to trade this bullshit, do you? Okay. I'll get rid of the paper trade because I'm actually in this trade. But honestly, what's up with GJ in? What's up with GJ in closing with that? This candle looks handicap. This 15-minute candle looks handicap. Like it doesn't have an arm or a leg. It's just a handicap candle. Like what's up with this? Look at the 5-minute. Close without a top wick. The next one they look open without. What's going on, GJ? Like we are in this trade, yeah. But hey, I don't want people. I don't want it to be a signal service where I tell people I'm gonna get in. So I'm not gonna be that. I'm not gonna be that guy. So I'll tell you guys when I'm in when the trade's almost done, so you miss it. So now, looking at it, oh, big rejection. Why is it rejecting there though? It shouldn't reject there. There's nothing there. Looking at it on the 1 hour. Yeah, exactly. Because yeah, exactly. Zainab. Um, looking at it on the 1 hour now, we have a break below here, which is this is 4 hour resistance now, but the 4 hours resistance just formed previous 4 hour candle. Now I see the 1 hour candle, this one wicking potentially down into the bodies or into this 4 hour resistance to then reject and come up to here, right? So eventually my big TP on the 1 hour now, if we create support, right? Let's do this, right? If we create support now here on the 1 hour and it closes in support, let's get rid of these 4 hour zones as well, just to show you guys on the 4 hour, right? We're gonna get rid of this as well. All right, we'll add that back on later. You got the support now here on the 1 hour. Settings, make that orange because that's my 1 hour. And then we have this resistance right here. So then this is the new range that it's in on the 1 hour, right? And then here is the 4 hour resistance right here, I think. Yeah, it is, right? But we are in a big rejection zone. So now on the 4 hour, the range in the zone is here. So we should continue up here. We'll see. It is rejecting. It is in a rejection range. It could reject and call it quits, right? But yeah. That being said, haven't traded GJ in so long though. That being said, with that being said, it is getting ready to close on the 1 hour, so it's probably even a top wick. Then potentially come down into this 4 hour resistance here, which should be red. 4 hour resistance, yeah. Then the 1 hour might potentially come down in here again, wick down to continue higher, right? But most definitely my TP1, I will put my partial TP here, most definitely, and I'm gonna close 80% right here. Set, and then I will have my full TP up there, just like that. So let's do that. Settings, closing. Where's my percent mark? 80% right here. Right, that's TP1, which is also 15-minute resistance. And then once TP1 gets hit, right, put everything at break even. Okay, all right, perfect. Partial TPs are set. Actually, I should go to break even right now. You know what I'm saying? Let's do that. Let's go to break even already. There. We're at break even. Closing 80% here. I haven't traded GJ in a while, dude. Trade it once and catch a dub on that shit. There's a rejection on the 1 hour. Yeah, I kind of was. It's only logical if price doesn't break level on the side, it's gonna go to the other side. Yeah. Kilion. Right. Very good start on GJ again. Yeah, I mean it's not at the TP yet. Closing 80%. TP1. TP1. And then we will have TP2 at the 4. We'll have the runners come up to here. Potentially. runners run up to here. Right. Stop, sorry, break even. I just feel like being in this, like, I haven't traded GJ in about 2 years now. And being in this trade on GJ, it is so freaking slow. What the fuck is this shit? Honestly, yeah, it's paying me whatever. Who cares? But fucking hell, dude. Like, look at gold. I'm up right now 18 pips. That's one fucking 15-minute candle on fucking gold, dude. Know what I'm saying? And it's rejecting right now. Jesus Christ. Why are you rejecting, buddy? It is law. It is law. It should go to TP. It should go to TP. That's law. It's law. Hey, I wonder if TP1, TP2 hit, expect to hit TP3? What? What? My TP isn't hit yet, buddy. I wonder if the partial TP shows up on your MetaTrader. Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't. Oh, is what it is. So now with GJ closing here in about the hourly closing in about 1 minute, it looks good to continue higher. I mean, if it just fucking goes the other way now, I don't know what's wrong with GJ. Then it's just a pure manipulation factor to things. But I don't think it should continue. I don't think it should go. Ooh, let me not speak too soon because this is a rejection candle, right? But the 1 hour did close very nice. Still has 34 seconds. So let's see. I would have wanted to close like at this white line. That'd be perfect close, but this is also a pretty decent close. 15-minute did kind of reject, or it's kind of creating like a top wick for the next 15 minute to continue and grab that. Now, wow, at the last 2 seconds, huh? Does that? Anyway, now very nice 1 hour candle close. See what it wants to do. We should catch a wick down to then continue up. Most definitely agree with that. Let's see. Had an 11 pip stop anyway. That's like nothing. Up 20 pips. Nothing either. Not even a lot. Where am I from my TP1, dude? Damn. 7 pips, man. How long does it take to make 7 pips on GJ, bro? Fucking hell. Jesus Christ, bro. I mean, we are in this big rejection area right here on the 4 hour. This would have been 100 pips on gold. Yeah, bro. Remember, like when I said here in the beginning of the move, I was like, "Oh wow, look at it go!" And then I looked right on my MetaTrader. It was like, yeah, 7 pips. I'm like, what? What? 7 pips. Let's talk about gold. Let's look at it. Yeah, nothing. Now, see, I already took my trade for today, so I'm not. If gold comes down into this area, I won't enter it. I just won't, because I'm already in the trade. I already took my trade for the day. Unless if I decide, that um I want to risk some profits on that gold trade, but honestly I won't because I barely traded. So need to book these profits. If it even wants to get to my profit mark, like damn dude, hurry up, hit TP, bro. Like you're fucking 3 pips away or some shit like that. I know it's a lot, but damn, you're 3 pips away. Just squeeze it. Push. Push it. Push. Zaynab, what's gonna happen, buddy? You trade GJ every day. I don't trade GJ like that. My girl Zaynab knows what's up. She'll be like, just chill out, bro, and shut the fuck up. You talking too much. No, I'm just kidding. It should hit it, especially if this 5 minute closes. Yeah, it should continue, especially if this 5 minute. Honestly, you're like Koala, bro. Shut up, bro. Just for once. Koala asking for signals, boy. Boy, I'm asking for advice. There's nothing wrong with asking for advice. You little cheeky fuck. This dude problematic, man. You're really a problem, dude. Oh wow, it's struggling to break the highs again. But as soon as it closes bullish, it will continue. So yeah, looks pretty decent, doesn't it? Looks pretty decent. Buy or sell? This week for me, only had one trade, bro. Trust me, bro. We're in the same boat. Probably had like 1.5 trades. Buy or sell? Evo, that's up to you, buddy. Any current position? If you look on the screen, you will know the answer to that. Troller. Hey, welcome back anyway, Mr. Troller. You were here 2 days ago. I gave you a bunch of tips on. Have you been reading that book that I sent you? It will help you in the long run, bro. Trust me on that. Timmy? Nah, he's actually very chill, dude. Like, he came in here, asked for help. I gave him help. I don't know if he's a troller, like a real troller, or that's just his name, but he seems chill to me. Yeah, it looks like GJ, yeah. I currently am in this buys. I got my TP1 at this black line. It looks like it doesn't want to hit. I do like the structure on the currency pairs, though. Yeah, gold. If you okay, so gold, it just throws wicks. That's it. It just throws wicks. Doesn't do anything else. Just throws wicks, man. And gold does follow structure. It's just people don't cancel out the noise. Right? If you cancel out the noise on gold, which is the wicks, and you focus a little bit more on the higher time frame, I mean, in this area, it's just throwing wicks because it's just pure manipulation. But if you look, for example, like the wicks have a meaning, right? Just throws wicks. Just try to cancel out the wicks, and then you should be good, man. Trading gold, trust. Yes, reading that book. Good job, bro. And you know, like I explained to you, like when you read that book, like flip the charts and see, what's going on. See what you just read. Find it back in the market, right? That's why it's also pretty cool to have a PDF because you could just switch tabs, right? Yo, that was me asking buy or sell. Forgot I was on my gaming account. Oh, you fucking troll. You troll. I'm doing good, man. Joe Scott, how are you doing, bro? Thank you for coming in, man. On both accounts. Mitch, what's going on, bro? How you doing, buddy? Give me a second here. Um, Discord is just so fugazi, man. My boy Mitch in here, man. What is it doing? Is this like a consolidating range on GJ or what the fuck are you doing? You're 3 pips away from my TP. Spike up and that's it. Jesus, 4 pips, dude. Took like 3 hours for 4 pips. Hurry up, GJ. Jesus Christ. Doing good, man. Thanks. Happy you're doing good, brother. Keep it that way, please. The world's already fucked up as it is. We need more doing good individuals like you. Jesus, this motherfucker has been sitting here for like 10 minutes doing shit. Didn't even break the previous high yet, bro. Like, what are you doing? Why are you rejecting? There's nothing here to reject from, buddy. Okay, if price comes here and breaks this law, I'm gonna close that shit automatically. Fuck it. She's abusing you? She's not abusing me. I'll pimp smack her, watch. Watch her shoot up now. I'll teach you how to Lufate, I'll teach you how to get with GJ. Alright? Watch, I just smacked her. You saw that? Watch. Wait for momentum, your TP will smash. I know, bro. It's just messing about right now. It's probably has some 1 minute structure, just messing about a little bit. Probably needs to come back down. But my TP is literally 3 pips away, dude. Like, just push up, break these highs, and just. It's only 3 pips. That's why I don't think I can trade GJ because it takes like fucking 7 hours to hit 4 pips. Like, I'm only up on this trade 17 pips. What the fuck is 17 pips? Right? Like, Jesus, fuck. Can you explain the logic behind this trade? I'll try. Because I haven't traded GJ in a while, right? So, we have 4-hour support right in this area, right? Previous 4-hour resistance or previous 4-hour rejected very hard. This is obviously this should continue higher. This is just a big finesse, honestly, right? And then I looked on the 5-minute, which I highly advise you to stay away from, especially if you're a beginner. And I saw first I was looking at this, right? And I said, okay, if this candle breaks the high, I will. First I said it was a paper trade. I will enter, right? Then it didn't do that. It continued lower, created a doji, right? You're waiting, and then this candle happened right here, right? This candle happened. It engulfed one candle. So that's also, if you read the book, it's an engulfing candle stick, right? A rejection, and then it engulfed. Also, what you have right here on the 5-minute is resistance. It is 5-minute resistance, but where does price normally start? It starts on the lower time frames and then continues to, go to the higher time frames, right? So once price broke resistance and engulfed, I entered at the next candle, right? Somewhere in this area. I just entered. Boom. Then what do we see right here, right? As we were following it along, you have another resistance right here. This price broke resistance, created support on top of resistance, telling me and telling traders that we are currently respecting, or that we kind of broke structure in and respected it, right? To continue higher. There's multiple entries in this here. You could have even entered at the engulfing of this candle with your stops below 5 pips, which is not a lot, 7 pips, and you would have had your almost your 1 to 2. Now I don't know what it's doing. It's just messing about. Probably waiting for volume. Probably finessing a bunch of people as well. Right? That's the logic behind this trade. Oh, my bad, Mitch. Sorry, bro. What's going on, Mitch? What's going on, bro?
What up? Hold on, I gotta turn you off.
Gotta mute me on the YouTube.
Yeah, that show's crazy. What up?
I'm in these buys, man. It's almost at my TP1. It's just like 4 pips away. It's just like, doesn't want to get there, dude. Insane.
We're gonna go there.
I know, but damn, why is it stop right there to just do the bamboozling? Like, why can't you go to my TP and then do that?
Oh shit, you're in a GJ trade. Hold on, I was trying to figure out why that price looked different. Holy shit.
Yeah, like, why does it take 30 minutes to make 10 pips on GJ and it's breaking down? Come on, dude. Like, what's going on, GJ? You're 5 pips away from my TP, bro. What? And now you want to crack down? Fucking crack down? Take money out of my pocket, bro?
You do have this area right here that it looks like it's trying to test.
Oh, yeah.
There's an OB sitting here. On whatever time frame we were just on. Looked like it was trying to. Yeah, the 1 minute, never mind.
Yeah, I mean, I think if we close below, if we get a close below or like a break below this line, I'll just manually close it and book my profits. Cause like seeing this on gold, like seeing this 15-minute candle on gold, it should continue going up on gold. I don't know how it is on GJC. It's playing out right now like this candle, but we are at a zone. So, but there's no zone here. That's what kind of makes me. That's what makes it weird because there's no zone at this area. It's just nothing, right? Let me get ready to close this stuff here. If it breaks that shit, I'm closing it. Matter of fact, let's do it on the 1 minute breaking here. Yeah, let's break that. Let's break that because, like I said, it starts on the lower time frames and then it finishes on the higher time frames, right? And then it starts. Oh shit! You see that? Gotta go. Out of there. No, sir. Not me. No, sir. I got 0.90% out of that fucking 3-hour trade for 10 pips. That's why I don't trade GJ. That's why I don't trade GJ. Motherfucking GJ. Shitty ass pair, dude. Fucking 3 pips away from my fucking TP, bro. What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? Motherfucker.
You could have traded AU and you could have been like 2 pips fucking for 3 hours, right?
This motherfucking 3 pips away from my fucking TP, bro. Wanna fucking do that bullshit and fucking pull back? Fuck you, GJ. That's why I fucking divorced you, whore.
Look like it's gonna launch now.
Alright, I can launch whatever the fuck it wants. Fucking sat in this trade 15, 30, 35, fucking 45, an hour fucking for 10 pips. New people are like, this nigga's crazy. What the fuck are you doing, GJ? Dumbass trade. That's why I blocked her. See, that's why I broke up with GJ from the start. Why? Fuck GJ, bro. I'm done. I closed the trade. I closed that like 10 pips for an hour. Now I'm about to fucking go to gold, accidentally hit sell, and make 10 pips in fucking 3 minutes. Jesus Christ. GJ is a real puta, bro. Like what? Bro, I'm gonna go fuck GJ's cousin. GU. She for the streets. I'm gonna go fuck her cousin. Yeah? How about them apples? Maybe she'll give me those 3 pips, huh? Where's Pimp Slap at? Where's Pimp Slap at? You need to come slap this GJ, man. Fucking GJ. Man. It was 3 pips. 3 pips, bro. 3 pips. 2.5 pips for my TP, bro. And he wants to fucking reject like that. Break structure on a fucking 5-minute. I don't care what it does anymore. I don't even want to hold it. I don't care. Fuck it. 15-minute closing like that. Why do you guys trade this shit anyway? Two 2.5 pips, man. At least I took a dub. But fuck, dude. You need to drop 100 lot to make it worthwhile? Bro. See now, good thing that greed didn't. Good thing that I closed below here, man. Because imagine if I was like, oh yeah, it's probably just gonna bounce off like that, rah 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 rah. Now, that stuff literally is about to look like it's about to tank. Whatever this 15-minute action did, it did it quicker than going up. Fucking GJ. $13 pips I got. 13. Now, I must admit, one thing that is good about it is because the stop losses are so small, right? The lot size increases automatically, so that's pretty dope about it. But I got 13 pips out of this shit. Right? It closed full right here. I didn't want to sit in the pullback. Plus 13 pips. In 1 hour, got 13 pips, bro. 1 hour. Look at gold. 10 pips in 5 minutes. Look at the 1 minute. Like, what are you doing, buddy? Jesus. Probably gonna come back down to the 1 hour and tap into that. I want my charts to look like yours. What can I do for that? Rectangle tool to the right. Pick the rectangle. Draw it like that. Change the color in the settings. Guala, why can I see gold going to 1938 and then dump to 1908? Why can I see gold go to 1938 and then dump to dump till 1897? It's possible, bro. I didn't get my buy entry on gold, so I'm not in it. My buy entry was the purple line. Analysis on Bitcoin, please, bro. Honestly, I don't trade Bitcoin. I never traded crypto. You should go to the crypto channel for that. If you just want my pure technicals on that shit, I could give you a pure technicals, but bro, yeah, that shit dropped. That shit tanked. Nah. Buy, I guess. Let's see. Bitcoin. Just pure technical. We did break structure here on a daily. We did break structure here, right here. Price should at least come to this area, at least. This is the retest area. This is the break structure right here on the bullish time frame. So should potentially, just looking at the daily, bro, I'm not really gonna go into detail because I don't really trade it like that. I'll look at something like that. I don't never trade Bitcoin, so you're the wrong guy to ask. I had it marked up down here. Oh, this is where I wanted to come to, 12K. Haha. Just patiently waiting. Close your eyes and buy? Yeah. I mean, ooh, if GJ went to my TP, I'm gonna fuck her. I don't trade Bitcoin, bro. I can't give you like an analysis like I can with gold or something. I can't do that, bro, honestly. Hey, man, I'm going to the gym now. Have a great day, bro. See you tomorrow morning. I'll see you tomorrow morning, man. I hope you have a good workout, bro. Are you in GJ? Close. 13 pips. You know how long that took, Nav, man? For 13 pips? An hour. That's why I broke up with her. I'm gonna go fuck her cousin now. Let's see here. Let's do something. 50%. Still have my runner on GJ with break even styles, bro. Fuck GJ. I just close full position. I just didn't want it to come down and stop me out. First and last trade with GJ for this year, yeah, probably see if she changes her attitude next year. Zainab, are you still in that trade? Yeah? Oh man, good job. Oh man, I have to sneeze. Oh, I was about to say it doesn't want to come out, but there it went. Very nice. I'm used to this. Yeah, see, fuck that. You crazy. How you gonna wait? How you gonna wait? Zainab, I don't want to bash you or anything, but how do you have the patience to wait, right, for it to play out, for it to get to your zone? Right? Shoot up in an hour, do 20 pips in an hour, wipe half your profits in 5 minutes, and now it wants to continue and potentially make a higher high. What's your background color? Brown. GJ's love back only lasted an hour. Yeah, fuck her, bro. I'm gonna break up with that hoe. Well, I got snot all over the screen. Come clean it. Problematic. Come clean it, bro. It's dirty. Anyway. Oh my god. Zainab, I swear to God, I hope this shit goes to TP, man. I hope you get 41 pips. It might. I'll check in with you tomorrow. It's not gonna happen today. Probably tomorrow. Probably check in with you Monday. See if you got your 45 pips. But I hope it goes there. I really genuinely do for you, bro. But anyway, how many lots did you set? 700 lots. The biggest in the Forex game. I said it's 0.01. Anyway, it's none of your business, bro. It's 0.01, Vic. I'm a Timmy. Anyway, I'm about to end the stream, man. I've been streaming, long enough. Same times every day, right? For everyone that tuned in, I appreciate it. I appreciate all the subscribers. We did gain some more subscribers today. I appreciate all the laughter today and all the positivity. You guys are dope. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning, same time. Hopefully we get different market conditions. But you guys are the GOATs. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.